We had a lifted van meet last month. We headed out again this weekend, and this guy right here probably spent the most money after the lifted van meet. There's his van right there. Now it fits in with the lifted Econolines. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of them right now. This is Jose's van, the family man. This is an Action Van suspension, ultimate lift. Camille, he got the Weldtec Designs 5-inch Chevrolet Express lift. He's about to put a move bumper on that. My van has the Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter 5-inch lift kit, and so does Scott. So we have 3 Weldtecs today and 1 Action Van today. So there you go. So man, I was happy for him when he told me he's getting his van lifted, and he looks super happy right now going through these trails. This is too easy now. Solo night run. Let's see if this is a bad idea. Okay, I got Starlink right there. So if I do get stuck, I'll let my friends know at camp, hey, come find me. So all my friends are at camp right now. There's a couple of us. Lifted van meet, November 2025, running it back. I did this last year. Some of the group wanted to go out again, so I said, yeah, let's do it, man. I want to camp all the time. So my van is a Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter. Here's Don's van. Weldtec Designs Baja Grocery Getter with king shocks. Wasatch roof, high top roof. He has the extensions on both sides. Yeah, this is like a Weldtec Designs catalog with a bunch of other companies. TNT Vans. That's a Weldtec box right there. This is Jose's van right here. Action Van suspension, ultimate kit with the Heim joints. Joe's van, Action Van suspension with a 2010 style radius arm. And then, check this out. This is John's van, Johnny Walker. That's a Camburg Designs radius arm Camburg Designs lift kit with Fox shocks, remote reservoir, very cool. And then this Camburg, you probably never even heard of Camburg. If you're new to this, they have a Weldtec style bent beam kit, bent I-beams, super cool color, like a OD green. So I think there's like 3 or 4 more that are gonna show up, but this is just, you know, I drove out at night. I have the video. They were here super early. I headed here after work. So a couple lifted vans. You guys are all about the lifted vans, so there you go. We got all 3 companies represented: Camburg, Weldtec, and 2 Action Vans. So 2 Action Vans, 2 Weldtecs, and a Camburg. And this is gonna be the only Camburg, probably. I don't know anyone else with the Camburg. I'm about to pick up more of the group. My crew's back there. I'm all alone, approaching another off-road group. Let's see what we got here. Looks like Toyotas. Yep, Toyota group. Oh, my crew's back there. Where are you guys at? white boy Econoline in a sea of Toyotas. This is what it's all about. I'm repping you guys. That's all I've ever wanted to do, is rep the lifted vans. Two-wheel drive. Everyone could do this. You don't have to be rich. You don't need a U-joint 4x4. You can roll in a lifted two-wheel drive van and have a good time. Look at that, we even got a dirt bike in the crew. And a Colorado. We got an oddball today. There's the oddball right there. Stock, two-wheel drive, Chevrolet Colorado. The base model. And he's fine. He's taking his time going around that rock. It's all about the line you choose. Plenty of clearance. This is what most people want to do when they think about off-roading. I'm in a lifted two-wheel drive van. The lift kit is nice for a van because they're gigantic and it's good to have clearance in a van. Yeah, no problem. Just aired it down on street tires. If you put some KO2s or KO3s on that, it would be even better. And then angle that way and then go up. Yeah. There you go. There you go. You're good. Nice. Yo, Jose, when you go down, like angle it like that and go like that. Do as much as an angle as you can and then go straighten out. You shouldn't bang. You should be okay. Perfect. Nice. Too easy. Too easy. Maybe. I forgot. Maybe. You gonna go for it? I like this guy. He's gonna go for it. Let's see. You'll be all right. You'll be okay. Let's see. Yeah, fine. Too easy. Oh, it's time, man. It's time to up the difficulty now, man. I think you can make it, man. I think you can make it up. Yeah, V10. Easy money. Slowly learning what these vans are capable of, and now I know going up these is easy money. And then you know what hill descent is? First gear. That's your hill descent control. And some brakes. No problem. You hear it slipping a little bit. It's a heavy beast. Shall we do that again? Let's do that again. So you guys gain confidence in your rigs. So we'll go around. And that's what I like to do with these lifted van meets. Give you guys confidence in what these vans could do. I don't want you guys destroying your rigs, nothing like that. I just want you guys having a good time. There we go. Let's do that again. I'm re-geared, 410 gears, rear locker, and we're not even gonna use momentum. We're just gonna ease up there, 10 miles per hour. Easy money. No problem. They didn't even need momentum, and just come back down. First gear this whole time, and a little brakes. There you go. Slowly learning the hill climbing capabilities. Next time we'll do that one. Lifted van meet influence. Hey, nice compressor. It's not a beauty van, so I'm not gonna lose sleep over this. I'll just put more tape. See, now that looks really good. It fits the theme of the meets. Two-hour drive home. Should be a straight drive, so this shouldn't fall off. Here, this is a test you want to see, right? I gotta take a left and a right. Let's see if my pizza falls off. But this is nice, you don't have to put your food in your lap. All right, there's a turn, still there. Watch the acceleration, and then I'm gonna turn there, and then I could relax and eat. Not falling, not falling, not falling. There you go. So I got 13 miles of straight driving, so I could make a dent in this right now. That's a TPMS right there.